I welcome you all in the next video tutorial of the remedial biology practical, that is BP 112 RBP. So in this video tutorial we are going to cover the morphology of fruit. So what is fruit? Fruit is nothing but a mature or ripened ovary formed after fertilization. We have just covered the flower part. So I request you to go to the video flower because एक्चुअली वट हैपन हमारे पास इतना ज़्यादा समय भी नहीं है कि हम एक ही पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर पे सपोज अगर हमें फ्लावर ही पढ़ना है डिटेल में, तो इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 वीडियोस, मीन एटलीस्ट 70 to 80 मिनट्स लेक्चर ऑन अ कंप्लीट फ्लावर. बट हमें इतना ज़्यादा डिटेल में अंदर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आप अगर अपना सिलेबस देखेंगे मिडिल बायोलॉजी का, ह्यूज सिलेबस इज देयर, everything is there, botany and zoology or even reproductive system is there, CNS is there, digestive system is there, respiratory system is there, everything is there. The syllabus is very vast. So in the practical portion we will just focus upon the main aspects. Otherwise अगर हमें डिटेल में पढ़ना है फ्रूट्स के बारे में या फ्लावर्स के बारे में या इवन लीव्स के बारे में, it will take huge amount of time and energy. That is not, we will not able to cover that aspects in such a short time. Okay, so whenever you come to the college we will definitely going to plan something and we will focus on our practicals and we will try to cover that. But for time being we will just go in a brief about these flower, fruit, reeds or seeds, etc. So let's start. What is fruit? A mature or ripened ovary formed after fertilization is known as the fruit. तो जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया था, पहले फ्लावर बनेगा, उसके बाद फर्टिलाइजेशन होगी, then fruit will form. So ovary wall is known as the pericarp and ovule is the seed. So there are different parts of the fruit, like ripened ovary, complete ripened ovary is known as the fruit, whereas the covering of the ovary is known as the pericarp, ovule development is known as the seed, outermost part is known as the epicarp, middle is mesocarp and inner is endocarp. Okay, epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp, very simple. Then pericarp is nothing but the ovary covering. But I am again requesting you, exceptions are always there. It is not necessary that a fruit, all the fruits contain these parts. It has exceptions. In biology we found exceptions all over. So yes, we have different, these are the parts. Let me show you an image of a particular fruit, only then we will go further. अगर हम नाशपाती की बात करें या एवोकाडो फ्रूट की बात करें, दिस इज द सीड, दिस इज द exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Endocarp is the innermost part. This is known as the pericarp. अगर हम apple, yes, this is the apple. Very important. Stalk is there. Look at this. You can also find this is a stalk, calyx and stamen also sometimes. Okay. Then this is the eating portion, fleshy portion जो हम खाते हैं. This is known as the mesocarp of pulp of apple. Okay, and again this is the edible part over here. This is the seed, then exo skin और endo innermost part. अगर हम बादाम की बात करें तो इसका एक्सोकार्प, देन मीजोकार्प, देन इसमें हम इसका एंडोकार्प कंज्यूम करते हैं. तो कई प्लांट्स का हम अलग अलग पार्ट्स हैं, कईयों के हम मीजोकार्प कंज्यूम करते हैं, कईयों के हम एंडोकार्प कंज्यूम करते हैं. डिपेंड करता है कि हमारे पास कौन सा फ्रूट है. अगर हम इस फ्रूट की बात करें, लुक एट दिस अगेन, दिस इज द हार्ड पोर्शन नोन एज एंडोकार्प, देन इसका मेसोकार्प कंज्यूम करेंगे, दिस इज द एक्सोकार्प. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. टमाटर भी देख लेते हैं, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगेन सीड पार्ट इज देयर, दिस वन इज अ प्लेसेंटा. और इसकी अगर एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स की बात करें तो एक्सो बाहर वाला सबसे, मीजो मिडल वाला, एंडो अंदर वाला. ओके, तो एज यू कैन सी डिफरेंट fruits have different type of arrangement also. Again, this is a seed, exocarp outer skin, mesocarp inner skin. तो टोमेटो के केस में हम उसका mesocarp को इजिली कंज्यूम करते हैं. अगर लेमन की बात करें तो लेमन में ऊपर वाले छिलकों को हम क्या बोलेंगे, रिंड, RIND, छिलका, RIND. देन एक्सोकार्प अपर वाली लेयर, देन एंडोकार्प, इसमें इस पोर्शन को बोलेंगे, देन दिस आर द जूस सैक्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. तो अगेन यू कैन सी दिस विल वेरी फ्रॉम फ्रूट टू फ्रूट. अगर हम नींबू की बात करें, अगेन दिस इज द एक्सोकार्प और यू कैन से एपिकार्प इज देयर, Then mesocarp, this is endocarp that we consume, from which juice has been exudated out. अगर हम अनार की बात करें, again this is a fleshy mesocarp, this is the exocarp, and these are the seeds which we consume. इस केस में हम क्या कंज्यूम करते हैं, इनके सीड्स कंज्यूम करते हैं. So I hope you have a brief idea what we are going to cover in this video tutorial. Yes, two types of fruits over here written. True fruit, very important. Ovary of the flower grows into fruit. अगर ovary से flower की जो ovary है उसमें से fruit बने, that is true. But there are pseudo fruits are there. Number of pseudo fruits are there, and they are known as the false fruit. It is often found that some other floral parts like thalamus, calyx, or receptacle may grow and form a fruit that is known as the false fruit or pseudocarp. So if you want to classify, that huge amount of classifications are given, but you can remember this one simple fruit, aggregate and composite. Simple fruit again divided into fleshy and dry fruit, and dehiscent, indehiscent and schizocarp. So what are these simple fruit? These fruits develop from a single mature ovary in a single flower. Remember this thing. Example include apple, banana, cherry pear, plum, etc. And they are further classified into various categories like drupes, berry, pomes, hesperidium. Okay, simple fruits develop from a single mature ovary in a single flower. Like examples: plum, drupe, berry, grapes, pomes, papaya, hesperidum, citrus fruits. Second one is the aggregate fruits. These fruits develop from a number of mature ovary that form inside a single flower. Remember this thing. In aggregate means jada. Aggregate. These fruit develop from a number of mature ovary formed in the single flower, whereas in the simple fruits we have a single mature ovary in a single flower. But in case of aggregate fruits, we have number of mature ovary in a single flower. Examples include blackberry, raspberry, strawberry, etc. Third one is the composite fruits. So let's read this. These fruit develop from a complete inflorescence. So these are also known as the multiple fruit. Composite means multiple. So these fruits develop from a complete inflorescence, and we know inflorescence is the arrangement of the flower on a particular stem axis. As you can see, single ovary, okay, then multiple, okay, these are the aggregates, and this is the multiple flowers are there. An aggregate, a single flower, but multiple ovaries are there. Just read again: aggregate, mature ovary found in a single flower. Mature ovary found in a single flower. This one is a flower, but over here multiple are there. So yes, example of the simple fruits are, we have already seen, like drupes, berry, pome, hesperidium. Aggregates like strawberries, very very common. Example, composite fruits like jackfruit, pineapple. This is the composite, multiple flowers and ovaries are there. Then we have legumes, follicles, siliqua, capsule type of fruits are also there. There are different types like samara, nut, schizocarpus fruits. So why this, suppose this is a multiple, why this is known as a multiple? Because we know multiple fruit develops from many individual flowers on a particular inflorescence. तो पाइनएप्पल के केस में इसके इस पार्ट को भी हम क्या बोलते हैं, ये एक इंडिविजुअल फ्रूट है. वैसे तो फ्रूट क्या है, एक पाइनएप्पल हम बाजार से खरीदते हैं, एक पाइनएप्पल लेके आए, लेकिन अगर उसके आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, अगर इसकी बॉटैनिकल स्टडी करेंगे तो इट हैज इंडिविजुअल फ्रूट्स. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज मल्टीपल, बिकॉज मल्टीपल फ्रूट डेवलप फ्रॉम मेनी इंडिविजुअल फ्लावर्स on an inflorescence. So I hope this will give you a brief idea about the fruits, and let us acknowledge all the sources I have used to prepare this video. So just do this practical in a brief, don't go much deeper into it, just you have to prepare a practical file and write the main points. So thank you very much for your patience and listening. See you in the next lecture.